Hey guys, so today we are back with another episode of 3D modeling, and in this class we will learn how to make a flower vase. So first we will go to the browser. Once the browser is open, we will then type tinkercad. So the page of tinkercad loads, and now we will click on the create new design option. So a new page loads, and this is where we will be doing our 3D modeling. So for the first step, we will go to the right hand side of the screen where we will see the option scribble. Click and drag it onto the work plane. So a new page loads, and on this we will make a shape. This shape can be anything that you want. Next, go to the down right corner and click on the option done. So now we can see our 3D model has been imported onto the screen. Next, we will select the object and click on the copy option present on the left top corner of the screen. Then we will click on the paste option. So we see that a copy has been generated on the screen of the same object. Now we will rotate this shape by an angle of 180 degrees. Once the rotation is done, we will drag and adjust it. Okay, so now we have adjusted it, and now we will select these two objects and click on the option group. Next, we will again rotate this object by a value of 90 degrees such that it becomes vertical to the surface. So now if you see that the new object is not actually touching the surface of the work plane. Therefore, we will select this object and we will drag it upward such that the object surface touches the surface of the work plane. It can be indicated by the value 0 on the screen. Okay, so we are done with this process. Next, we will select this new object and click on the option duplicate and repeat present on the left side of the screen. Next, we will rotate this by a certain values. So let's say we put it at an angle of 5 degrees. Done. Now we will again click on the duplicate and repeat option several times. So we can now see that the shape of the vase has been generated. Now what we'll do, so we'll select all the objects and click on the option group. Next, we have to make a hole where we can place the flowers. For that, we will drag in the cylinder and place it on the work plane. Next, we will convert this into a hole. Once done, we will now adjust its shape with the shape of the vase. It looks a bit fine. So now I will increase its height by certain values. Let's say 40. With this done, next we will have to align it such that the center of the hollow cylinder matches with the center of the solid flower vase. So next we will drag the hollow cylinder onto the solid flower vase. Once done, we will then select these two objects and click on the option align. So when we click on it, we can see that there are many dots available on the screen. So for now, we will select the two dots at the centers. Now click, we will then select these two objects. With this done, we will then go and click on the option group. So the flower vase is now completely generated. I hope you like this video and stay tuned.